Hey, what's up y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be something totally new compared to what you are used to watching, since I've been filming on my YouTube channel, and it has been a while since I last did a video. But this is going to be new to the channel. I'm still going to be doing videos of making homemade skincare products for you to make yourself, easy peasy at home and everything. But this is just going to be an add-on, and it's going to be all about my small business entrepreneur life, and this is going to be episode 1. And if you haven't yet, please like and subscribe for my channel, and I would love to know in the comments what you guys think of my new vlogging of my entrepreneur life, and share some ideas. What do you want me to talk about when it comes to my business? And so I know what I can film and everything. But today specifically, I'm just going to get straight to the point. But I want to share with you my new inventory of different containers I'm going to be using for my skincare products. And actually, first, let me just quickly give you a brief bio on my skincare business. I just started it last year, June 20th, and it happened to fall on Father's Day and Juneteenth as well. So this June 20th, I will be celebrating my 1-year anniversary, and I am very excited. Right now, I am doing sole proprietorship, but for my 1-year anniversary, I am going to upgrade myself and level up to an LLC. So I'm very excited about that. But let's get these boxes open so I can show you what I got today. Alright, so let's start with this box right here. So these right here are just so pretty. So my brand is all about the different color shades of pink, like rose gold and like light pink and a coral pink and white and gold. And these are just super pretty. These are for my lip conditioners. So this is the bottom part. Hopefully you can see it good. And the top part looks like these tops, and it's rose gold. And this is the part where when you squeeze, the lip conditioner will come out of this part and slide onto your lips. Hope you can see that. It looks like it's there we go. So yes, these are for my lip conditioners. And I got a ton of these. These are 2-ounce glass dropper bottles, and it's rose gold, and it's just super pretty. And the 2-ounce dropper bottles I mainly use for my feminine oil, my feminine sacred oil, which is for the private part. So right after you shower, you just rub some of this on, and it helps to maintain, proper hygiene. It's awesome for your pH balance, and it's just really good for the health of everything down there. And here's another one. It's the same. It's rose gold, but it is a 1-ounce bottle. And these I use for my facial serums, like my acne serum, my anti-aging daytime serum, my anti-aging nighttime serum. And I also use the 1-ounce bottles for my Good Evening Oil Cleanser, which is an oil cleanser that you use before you actually use your actual cleanser. It just helps to make the actual cleanser work even better. And it just pretty much pre-poos your face, pretty much. It like pre-cleanses your face, and it really loosens up all the dirt and the oils, and it helps to loosen up makeup as well. Next, I have these. So they're lip balm containers, and they are for my lip balms. And I've used different ones, but I'm favoring this one. It's like a baby blush kind of pink. And it's super pretty, super cute. So these are going to be for my lip balms. The last set of lip balm containers that I used was all white. I liked it. It looked really pretty, especially with my, it matched with my logo, it matched with my labels and everything. But I just favor the ones that have pink on top of it. So next, it's a roller bottle, basically, and it's rose gold as well. See how much I just love the pink and the rose gold. So it is a roller bottle, and I haven't truly decided what I'm going to use exactly for this. I have several things in my skincare line that I can use it for. I do have a holy anointing oil that I can use this for. I also have, actually, I'm probably not going to use this for the holy anointing oil because I do have new roller bottles just like this, but it's not rose gold. The top part is just solid gold, just gold. And I really like that because the solid gold represents like royalty and stuff like that. And I think it just went perfect with the holy anointing oil. So this rose gold one, I'm probably going to use for my nasal roller. And what it does, it's called Sniffle and Sniff, and it's really good for when like the allergy season comes in, or if you just have like a cold and you're just congested, and it really opens up your nasal cavity and everything. It is like the bomb.com. I promise you, it is like, you will love it, pretty much. You will love it. And I'm not just saying it because I created it, but it's because it works. That's why I am selling it, because I know it works. I don't sell anything that doesn't work. I am probably like a perfectionist when it comes to my skincare business, so I make sure everything is 110% accurate. So yes, these are my rose gold roller bottles that I'm going to use for my Sniffle and Sniff nasal reliever. So next I have these containers, but these are actually, I'm still trying to think if I want to continue using these containers. So these are 8-ounce containers, and it has the white top, and I use this for my 8-ounce body scrubs or my 8-ounce body butters. But I kind of want to change it up. I love it, but I really want to get something that has like the rose gold top. Even though these are, you know, safe to use cosmetics in, I'm really feel like I'm more attracted to the glass. So I want to switch up to glass instead of these plastics. And I'm trying to find one where I can try to find a company that sells the glass bottoms and the top is rose gold. So if y'all know where I can find a vendor, a company that sells those, please holla at your girl and let her know, because I'm trying really hard to find. And these are the other roller bottles that I was telling you about, the one that has the gold, the solid straight up gold on top, which I'm going to use for my holy anointing oils. And see, it's not rose gold, it's clear on the bottom, it's gold on top. So yes, I'm going to use this instead. And I think that is all I really have to show y'all that I recently got inventory in. So yes, so I hope you like my first episode. It's just simple, short and sweet, just a little introduction. Maybe next video I can show you how I package my stuff, maybe. We shall see, but I would love for you to please leave ideas in the comments on what I should talk about, and if this is something y'all want to see more often. But yes, thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and I will see you in the next episode. Bye.